Good morning, children. We are going to start with MCQs of Civics, lesson number 7, Markets Around Us. The first MCQ is that, according to the modern concept of marketing, dash is key to success. Answer: consumer satisfaction. Second number, marketing establishes a link between producers and consumers through dash traders. Third number, buying and selling of goods and services within a country is called internal trade. Answer is internal trade. Fourth number, people engaged in dash trade are called retailers. Answer, retails. And the MCQ finishes here. Question answers, short question answers. First number, how is the modern concept of marketing different from the traditional concept? Answer: in traditional marketing, the focus of marketing was all about distributing goods and services and maximizing profit. The needs and wants of customers were not studied or taken into account. According to the modern concept of marketing, consumer satisfaction is key to success. Modern concept of marketing means satisfying the consumers. Next question. Marketing is not about selling things alone. Explain the statement. Answer: marketing is not about selling things alone. It involves many other activities such as identifying buyers, finding out their preferences, persuading them to buy goods, negotiating the terms of sale, mode of delivery, and terms of payment, and after sale services. So the answer is completed. Question 3. How is a retailer different from wholesaler? Answer: those who are engaged in wholesale trade are called wholesalers. They do not sell products directly to the consumers. A wholesaler is mainly involved in buying, storing, and supplying goods. People engaged in retail trade are called retailers. They act as middlemen between the wholesalers and the consumers. Next question, that is give long answers for the following questions. What is the importance of markets? Answer: market is a place where goods and services are sold at a price. Marketing establishes a link between the producers and the consumers through traders. Traders buy finished goods from the producers and sell them to the consumers. Traders take care of the distance between the place of production and place of consumption. So that is the time needed for the things to reach to the market. Marketing is not about selling things alone. It involves various other activities like identifying buyers, finding out their preferences, etc. Second number, what are the benefits of marketing? Now, the benefits of marketing are as follows. So, marketing helps in improving people's standard of living. Next number, it treats customer as king. It generates employment in production and distribution sectors. It explores the export market for goods. Then it attempts to satisfy customers' need by designing products as per the demands of the market. It generates revenue in the process of buying and selling and bring in profit. Third question, explain any one type of distribution channel. Answer, there are two categories of distribution channel. First number, direct channels, and the second number, indirect channels. So we are going to start with direct channels. When the producers sell their goods directly to the consumer, it is direct channels. No middleman is present between the producer and the consumer. There can be two types of direct channels, that is through traveling salesperson and through retail shops. In direct selling, the salesperson tell the customers about the special features of product and how to use it. So the question answers of lesson number 7 is complete.